There are two versions of your life. The one you're living right now, and the one you could be living if you changed just a few things. Not your job, not your location, not your relationships, just your habits. Your habits are the invisible systems that built your current life. And they're the same systems that are stopping your next level. The truth is simple. You are one decision away from a completely different reality. Today, I'm sharing the 5 habits that transformed my life so dramatically, I barely recognize who I used to be. Stay to the end, because the last habit is the one that created my biggest breakthroughs. Habit 1. The 1% rule. Small improvements daily gives massive transformation. Most people try to change their life overnight. They want to jump from nothing, gives everything. But your brain doesn't work like that. Your identity doesn't change in big leaps. It changes 1% at a time. Here's what I did. Every day, I picked one tiny improvement, not huge goals, tiny upgrades. 1% healthier, 1% more disciplined, 1% smarter, 1% more organized, 1% more focused. It felt like nothing at first, but after weeks, I became unrecognizable. If you become 1% better every day for a year, you become 37 times better. Small actions, repeated daily bets, the cheat code. A habit to morning mastery. Control your morning. Control your life. I used to wake up in chaos. Phone buzzing, scrolling, rushing, reacting. Mind was never mine. My day was never mine. Until I created the Morning Mastery Hour. For 1 hour every morning, 10 minutes silence, 10 minutes learning something, 10 minutes writing, journaling, 10 minutes planning the day, 10 minutes visualizing goals, 10 minutes light movement. No phone, no notifications, no noise. This hour rebuilt me, gave me clarity. It gave me confidence. It gave me control. And most importantly, 8 gave me momentum. When you win the morning, you win the day. Habit 3. Remove the noise. Your environment is controlling you more than your motivation. Your life improves, not just by what you add, but by what you remove. I removed people who drained me, social media that distracted me, habits that wasted my time, environments that killed my growth, conversations that kept me stuck, apps that stole my attention, thoughts that weren't mine. And suddenly, I could think clearly. Your environment either pulls you up or pulls you down. Most people stay stuck, not because they're weak, but because their environment makes winning impossible. Cut the noise. Cut the distractions. Cut what doesn't serve your future. Habit 4. Extreme self-discipline. Discipline is choosing what you want most over what you want now. I used to think motivation would save my life. It didn't. Motivation fades. Excitement fades. But discipline builds the life you want. Here's the truth. Successful people aren't more motivated, they're more disciplined. They don't wait to feel like doing it. They do it because they said they would. Discipline is freedom. Discipline is power. When you control your habits, you control your outcomes. When you control your outcomes, you control your life. Habit 5. Silent transformation. Build quietly. Appear suddenly. This habit changed everything. I stopped announcing my goals. I stopped telling people my plans. I stopped asking for validation. I stopped explaining my journey. And I worked in silence. No show. No noise. Just relentless execution. And here's what happened. My peace increased. My focus sharpened. My results exploded. Silence is a superpower. When you stop broadcasting your goals, you stop leaking your energy. Work so silently that your results make the noise for you. Bees. 5 habits didn't just change my life. They rebuilt it. Not overnight. Not magically. Not perfectly. But consistently. The 1% rule. Morning mastery. Removing noise. Discipline. Silent transformation. If you apply these habits, your future self will thank you. Your life will not change by accident. It will change by intention. Not next month. Not next year. Starting right now. If this video opened your eyes, if it gave you direction, if it made you feel like change is possible, then don't leave without subscribing. You and I are building a stronger future together. If you're ready to upgrade your life, hit subscribe. Your transformation starts today.